Wow. Purple color jacket. खोल के पूरा खोलो उठाओ.
So take the cover off. Hood as well.
Yeah. Front, it's a jacket. It's
Front
a coat.
zip and buttons.
Button, yeah.
Both. And pockets. Two.
There is one big box as well.
Next to this.
When we order, after that we forget what they're gonna send in the box. When we receive, we think jacket coat is in the box, but coat in other parcel.
Oh wait. Can you see our address on there?
No. Oh, wow.
Front side. What's this? Another coat. Should I open this one?
Nice packing. I like these kind of packings. Nice packing.
Another coat. This is a blue coat now.
Wow.
Let me take out the bag.
Nice color. Oh, this is a jacket. Okay,
Yeah.
we order one jacket as well. Okay.
Oh, winter
Yes,
jacket.
nice. That's nice too. These are for mom.
For mom, yeah. This one's buttons. Oh, and zip, both.
And both.
Buttons and zip.
Yeah.
The back.
And hoodie.
Hood.
Wow.
Fluffy hood. My bag. My bag.
Oh, wow.
Let me open this one.
You do many hours. Oh.
Let me open it.
Sure. These kind of bags you like. Those are very deep.
Yeah,
bag.
so my laptop can fit in here on the back.
Okay.
The laptop pocket. Here on the back. And then pockets on the side for water bottle. And then another book pocket. And then you can put your lunch in the middle, isn't it?
Wow.
And then this is
Open.
hairbrush. Let me open this. I gotta turn it open.
Wow, nice. See?
Yep.
We have the same before.
This one looks stronger though. Stronger bristles.
Because it's new, that's why.